Welcome back to Sunny Stocks India. Today I will review all the long stocks that I have analyzed in the last 2 months. The first stock that I analyzed was Equitas Small Finance Bank and I shared the analysis on 2nd of May. The stock then was around 67 and now the stock trades around 76.6. The stock is up almost 15%. The growth story of Equitas Small Finance Bank is still intact and it is worth holding. Next, I shared analysis of IFCI on 6th of May and the price was around 61 then. I had a target of 75 based on my analysis and the target is achieved. All the euphoria in IFCI was because of NSE's public issue. If NSE shares after the public issue sees a bumper opening, then IFCI may see a little more uptick. But not getting speculative, profits can be booked on this counter. Around 25% return in 60 days is good. I'll drop IFCI in my next report card as the target is already achieved. Ugro Capital was analyzed on 7th of May. The stock then was trading at around 106.32 and now it trades at around 98. It is 8% down. The story of Ugro Capital is still intact and the value unlocking is due. Over the next few quarters, the stock price should factor in the performance as the management shares update on the rundown of the legacy DSC-led loan books and the growth of new age portfolio. Next, one MobiKwik was analyzed on 8th of May. The stock then was trading at around 217 and the stock is now around 203, around 7% down. Again, the story is intact and the stock can be added on declines. The key items to watch out for in this stock is the growth in their NBFC business and the growth in merchant base. Fratelli Vineyards analysis was done on 22nd of May. The stock then was trading at around 74 and now the stock is trading at 96, up 30% in just 45 days. The story is intact. Keep an eye on the growth in their RTD wines business and progress in hospitality venture. This will shape the outlook for future. For now, it is continue to hold. Pine Labs analysis was shared on 27th of May and the stock was around 146.5. The stock today trades at 156.3, up around 7%. The stock is still a potential multi-bagger and the story is super strong. They have a great product and they can sell it across the globe. Watch out for news on international expansion which is growing at a very fast pace. It is worth adding even at current price point and the existing investor can keep the bet. Exato Technologies was analyzed on 29th of June and the stock was around 374.4. The stock is still around the same price. The story is intact here. The AI implementation play has not even started. This counter may require patience. It is a hold for now. PPAP was analyzed on 16th of June and the stock then was trading at around 239. Now the stock is trading at 256, up 7%. Again, the story of this stock is intact and one may continue to hold. SAMHI Hotels analysis was shared on 21st of June when the stock was around 176. The stock today is around 178. Hotel stocks have started to gain traction post the West Asia crisis and the value unlocking is due. The counter is still worth holding. These were all the long stocks that I studied so far. For more such analysis, consider subscribing to the channel and as always, please do your own research before you invest. Do not consider my analysis as recommendation to purchase or sell. Thank you and bye bye.